Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, March 28th. Today we will do a practice that is familiar to many of you from our previous series, and I know it's one of our favorites. This is the practice of rain that I learned from Tara Brach. Matthew Sokolov, whose book we're following in this series, has a slightly different take on it. So it will be interesting to see how it lands for all of us. I'll remind you that the acronym RAIN in this practice stands for recognize, allow, investigate, and nourish. You can use it with any experience, make it a standalone meditation practice, and also use it in your daily life. It is especially helpful with difficult emotions and thoughts. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Take a comfortable position, and as always, begin by bringing your awareness to your present time experience. Perhaps close your eyes and give yourself a few moments to notice what you hear, what you feel in the body, and what's occurring in the mind. Now bring to mind a difficult experience or emotion. As always, choose wisely. If you are new to this practice, don't go into the most challenging experience right away, but instead pick something that is only mildly disturbing you. And we'll start with the R of the rain, recognition. Recognize the thoughts coming up, the sensations in the body, and the critical inner voice you often hear. Spend the next few moments just acknowledging the presence of the difficulty, tuning into the different ways it manifests in your experience. I'll be silent, giving you some time to connect with what's happening. Now let's move to the next phase of rain, allowing. With unpleasant emotions, the habit of the mind is to try to get rid of these experiences. But what if you allow this difficulty to be present in you instead? Nothing more, nothing less. Just allowing. You may try to offer the simple phrase of equanimity and acceptance to yourself, simply by saying, right now, it's like this. Right now, it's like this. Continue this way for the next little while, bringing the mind back when it starts pushing the difficulty away. Once again, I'll be silent. Now let's move into the eye of the rain, investigating more deeply. At this stage, allow curiosity to take over. Ask yourself where you feel vulnerable, how this emotion serves you, and if you believe you can be free from this pain. Again, I'll be silent. And finally, the N of the rain, turning toward nourishing yourself with self-compassion. Of course, this whole exercise has been a practice of self-compassion as you are tending to the pain with awareness rather than denying it. However, in this particular step, make a dedicated effort to offer a few phrases of compassion and open the heart. How does that feel? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day-to-day, I invite you to continue with this practice, especially when difficult experiences arise. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.